Well, hello friends, how are you today? Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I am going to tell you how to make hyaluronic acid. It is one of my favorite facial serums ever. So if that's something that you're interested in, stick around, we're going to talk about it. Hyaluronic acid is actually made naturally in the body. The younger you are, the more you produce. The older you are, the less you produce. Hence why skin looks so amazing when you're young and a little less plump when you're older. Hyaluronic acid is a water retainer, so it pulls moisture and water from wherever it can. Hyaluronic acid is beneficial in wound care. It's found in your eyes, it's found in skin, joints, and all the mushy bits in between. A 1/4 teaspoon of hyaluronic acid can actually retain up to 1.5 gallons of water. Why it's so amazing for plumping the skin. So enough about hyaluronic acid and what it does, let's make some. You're going to need a small sterilized container to put your hyaluronic acid serum in, a 1/4 teaspoon of hyaluronic acid powder, 98 grams of distilled water, and this is optional, I use it but you don't have to, about 1/2 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. Just helps it glide a little bit easier. Add a 1/4 teaspoon to your sterilized container, and then 98 grams of distilled water. It looks like it's not doing anything right now, but believe me, it is. After 12 hours of sitting in the refrigerator, the hyaluronic acid is going to absorb lots of water. Honest, those aren't amoebas floating around in there. Just give it a little time. Here we are after 12 hours or overnight. Time for 1/2 teaspoon of vegetable glycerin. And there you have it, hyaluronic acid serum. This will last for about 3 weeks in your refrigerator. If you want to extend the life for about 3 months, you can add a preservative. I personally just don't like to add anything extra. I like everything as natural as possible. But yeah, that's it. Just make sure that your skin is nice and damp. Usually like out of the shower or after you've just washed your face, make sure that your face is nice and damp. Then you apply your hyaluronic acid, and there you go. All right, guys. If you enjoyed this video and you stuck around this long, if you would, hit the like button, the subscribe button, and the notification bell. That would be awesome. Until next time, guys. All right. Bye.